I run my entire YouTube channel with AI agents, and I spend about 1 hour a day. Let me show you exactly the pipeline. And this is what the thumbnails look like. This is an example of the YouTube description. Here is the tags. The overlay text looks like. This is what the blog post looks like. And this is a LinkedIn post. So the first flow that I do is I would record my audio. I would record all of my clips and I put it in iMovie and I'll export that as an MP3 file. So for example, in here, right, in video 35, I put in the mindsets MP3 and I just type in npm run parse to grab this, and this is going to call Whisper. So what it does is that it is analyzing my transcript and putting a placement guide for my overlay text. So that's all it is, but I'm going to use the transcript that it gives me to perform the rest of my pipeline. The next one is to actually, after that I get my transcript.json, it's right here, from the exact words that I talk about in my audio file. And the next step is that I wanted to actually render the overlays here. So yeah, npm run render overlays, and there will actually be a out for the overlays. So this is like green, black screen. I just drag it onto iMovie and then it will sync at these exact timestamps right here. The next agent here is straightforward, right? I pass in my transcript from the audio file that I recorded and I asked to give me a hook. And yeah, so it read my transcript saying like timestamp and saying they know, right, this is what I talk about, and gave me some suggested thumbnails and title. But here, all I really wanted was the hook. So the next prompt, after I got the hook, right, I just say give me the thumbnail descriptions and tags, and this is what it gave me, the thumbnail options. I'll take this thumbnail right here, all these, and I will put it in another agent that will make the thumbnails for me. And after that, I would just pick what's the best. And yeah, so that's the thumbnail. Here is the description based on the audio that I put. So yeah, I just grab this, put it in the YouTube settings, I grab my tags, and that's it. I have my thumbnails agent, and I got these thumbnail options, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, from my other agent that gives me the YouTube settings. So I just put this in, and I gave a picture, a screenshot of myself in the video. It read it, and it go ahead and produce these 5 right here. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They look like this. 2, 3, 4, and 5. The next agent is the LinkedIn infographics agent. So for every video, once I drop my transcript here, it's going to make 5 posts for me. So I just put it in, and yeah, it found, it's talking the 4 mindset shifts video, and then it gave me 5 posts and also the infographic. So this is the infographic for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the post. Next one is I have an agent that takes that downloads my YouTube video, grabs the transcript, downloads the audio, and then makes that into a blog post on my website, and then has the pipeline to push and make the video, to make the blog posts. So I just navigate to my private project here, Dev Velocity Lab video, and I just do this npx tsx scripts, just YouTube to blog. and I just type in the video that I just upload it, and it's going to process it. So you got the title, you got the date, and then yeah, it's going to call Claude, and it's gonna save this as a markdown file on my computer. And what I do is that I just committed this file inside my other public project, Dev Velocity Lab, and when I push it, it automatically, I think within like 30 seconds, like a minute, it pushes to the website, and then it'll be live and ready to go. So yeah, here you have it. These are all the agents that help me run my YouTube pipeline and my YouTube channel in about like 1 hour, a little bit over sometimes, about 1 hour a day. So I have the overlay agent, I have the thumbnail, I have the transcript, I have the description and tags and title agent, and then outside of YouTube, I have the LinkedIn agents to make me posts and infographic. I have the YouTube to blog agent that also makes a blog post. So this has not been super straightforward. It's a lot of tweaking and getting it better, like making the overlay text, letting the agent write and speak using my own audio transcript, right, rather than just generated not from my voice. Like that's what my most of my earliest videos, they are like that, right? It gave me a outline, a script, but it wasn't really my voice. So I iterated on that process and figure out that, hey, I needed to feed the AI what I actually talk and from my own voice. So that's why the whisper, grabbing my audio file of the video and putting that into a transcript, it's really the foundation. Like half of the agents use that transcript, right? The LinkedIn, the the LinkedIn one, the YouTube settings one, and also the blog. So yeah, I hope this helps you. This is how I've been kind of running the channel. I will look for ways to improve the process, or right, ideally I don't want to call so many agents, and I can have just, yeah, I haven't thought about it yet, but I would even make the process simpler. Yeah, but so far I do enjoy the overall process, and it's about, right, yeah, like I said, it like gotta keep tweaking it and find out what works for me. Another one is that I'm recording it with very little editing, and that it's mostly me on a talking head video, not a lot of screen sharing. So that has been helpful, and not adding a lot of B-rolls or not adding any major like sound effects or any like text on the screen. I just wanted to get the information out. I wanted to practice me speaking in front of the camera, being more comfortable at my own thoughts and presentation and my own delivery. Yeah, like in my own like natural self. So I think I've gotten I've gotten practice over time. Every like 5 videos, 10 videos, I got a little bit better. Yeah, so I find this helpful to myself. So yeah, if you have any other suggestions, feel free to let me know. But this is what I have right now, and I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will continue to share everything I know as I go and grow.